Ang commission artwork ay hindi lang basta painting.
Isa itong kwento na gusto mong i-immortalize.
Hi, it's Kenna and this is the first lesson of 5 lessons I've learned from doing commissioned artwork.
Custom art is more than just buying or owning a piece. It's more about honoring a story that matters to you. Like a person you love, or isang memory na ayaw mong kalimutan. Isang parte ng puso mo that turned something tangible. And when I do commissions, hindi lang ako basta nagpipinta. I pray for it and I listen to your story. I always pour my heart and passion sa bawat stroke. Kasi ang custom art ay hindi lang gawa ko, kundi gawa para sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa lahat na sumuporta mula noon hanggang ngayon. I will continue to dream and believe with love and support dahil ito ang dahilan kung bakit